Hi everyone. I don't often show pieces of good driving on my channel. Maybe I should do this a little bit more. Now effectively I'm taking the next junction off on the left on this motorway, and what I'd like to point out is the great job that the car approaching from behind in the middle lane does, and it's the light blue Volvo. I'm forever going on about how selfish people are on the road, but this Volvo approaching does a great job of thinking of me. It can see that I'm catching this lorry, and look what it does. It literally sees the problem, sees the risk, and changes lane in anticipation. What a great job. And I know that this happened for my benefit, because watch the Volvo now. What a great bit of driving. Think for other people, and honestly, our roads become a better place. Try and do this for someone on your commute this morning or this evening. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you all soon.